Having trouble using FaceTime on your iPhone, whether it's not connecting or refusing to start call, this guide will help you fix the issue step by step. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to troubleshoot FaceTime issue and get it back working flawlessly in no time. FaceTime requires a stable internet connection to work. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have a strong cellular connection. If the connection is weak, try switching to another network. Sometimes FaceTime gets disabled in your setting. Go to the setting app and navigate to FaceTime. And make sure the joggle is turned on. Check that your Apple ID and phone number are correctly linked under the "You can be reached at" section. Also, incorrect date and time setting can cause FaceTime issues. Go to Setting, General, and then go to Date and Time and enable Set automatically. You can also try restarting your iPhone. A restart can resolve many temporary glitches that might affect FaceTime. For a soft restart, click on your volume up button and your power button at the same time and follow the instructions. Another step is to update your iOS. FaceTime might not work on older version of iOS. Go to Setting, then General, then Software Update, and install the latest update available. The next step is to check your FaceTime restrictions. Restrictions might block FaceTime. Go to Setting, then Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restriction. Go to Allowed Apps and make sure FaceTime is allowed. Signing out of FaceTime and back in can sometimes refresh the connection. Go to Setting, then FaceTime, then Apple ID. Then click on Sign Out. Wait a few moments, then sign back in with your Apple ID. Sometimes FaceTime might not work due to server issues. Search for Apple System Status online and check if FaceTime is down. If none of these steps work, contact Apple support for further assistance. They can guide you through more advanced troubleshooting. And that's it for fixing FaceTime issue on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to share it with someone who might need it. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!